Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Girl, Janafine. If you're new here, you're welcome. Thank you very much. If you're not new here, I love you, darling, and thank you. God, we continue to. God, we continue to. Sorry, God, we continue to bless you. I'm gonna be there for you because you're always there for me. Right, I'm looking so sweet. Today is another video of no makeup. Let's talk and chat together. I feel like, I'm just getting on the groove of talking, supportive talk, chats, topics and that. So, makeup, I don't know where makeup is going through because that is me, but I don't know what's going on now. Right, so I'm gonna time myself for this video. I want to make it like short and simple, at least 10 minutes. I'm gonna quickly talk on this topic. Right, so guys, I don't know how you guys have been doing since lockdown, during pandemic, epidemic, you stay at home order. Wherever you are, part of the world, everyone is suffering. We are all in this together. Some countries have moved on, some countries are still stuck indoors, some countries they are going in a different wave of the virus. Yeah, we're talking about the virus, but yeah, they're different, like stage 3 lockdown. So what in UK, we've been into lockdown at least 3 times or so, and I said this week of April, people can go out, like meet in a group of 6 in the park. And I said next week on the 12th of April, no restaurant is not going to be open, beauty salon is going to be open, you can go to exercise, gym is going to be open, all of those departmental stores are going to be open as a 12th of April. I am looking forward to it. So it's been a year since this whole crisis has happened, and I must say things has really changed in the past 1 year. The way you see things, the way you see life, everything is changed. Like, it's crazy. We gotta adapt to it. Wearing masks out and about, not meeting people or meeting in groups, like in a crowded place like pubs, concert, or probably on a train. Like, things that we used to do before that is normal is not normal anymore. But I believe, according to what it said in June, yeah, somewhere in June, it's gonna go back to the way it was before. But I just think that's a lie. That's all BS. And sorry to those who lost their loved one during this all 1 year of crisis, pandemic and stuff. It is sad. We don't pray to lose our loved one, but life just have a way of kicking us in the nut of the throat and makes us feel uncomfortable. So yeah, this is a topic I just want to talk about. A lot of people has lost their job. Like, people are going crazy. People mental health have been affected. How has it affected me? It has affected me in a different way. Sometimes I find myself not doing things that I supposed to be doing, like just wailing on my own thought, thinking shit, like seriously, like your mind tends to just wander off because you're so bored, there's nothing you can do, and I'm grateful that I got roof over my head. I got people supporting me, income here and then. In a way, a lot of people don't have this opportunity. That's why we all have to still be grateful for whatever we have or where we are, which I am grateful for. So yeah, and everything is got used to having to be like over the phone. Everything is all internet wise, social media. Like, before we used to go in the cinema, watch latest movie, buy ticket. Now you just have it on your mobile phone. Like, the experience is different from where you want to like be with people in a crowded places, buy popcorn and stuff, having you to be in your own bedroom watching it. But the excitement is different. Like a lot of those things have changed, but I'm looking forward to it. Me, I'm a cinema girl. I love to go to cinema. I just feel like that's one of my hobbies, and I just have to do it. And ever since the lockdown, it's just I have to adapt, like not being into like cinema all the time. I have loads of American TV series I do tend to catch up to, but it's not the same as you watching the latest movie coming out in cinema, like seriously. But it's good that Netflix, Amazon Prime TV, you got Disney World there, you got Apple TV, everybody, streaming platform is all, you know top notch out there is a good thing, but sometimes the physical touch, the physical experience is always different. And sport wise, I've never used to go to the gym. I used to go in the past, but I don't see any difference. So if you want to do exercise, you can just go out, walk about, do about like 10-20 kilometers or 10 miles, running, jogging, long walks, brisk work. Those are exercise. You can do push up in your bedroom and a lot of things you can do than you going to the gym. I know some people is a thrill of like trying to show off, doing my fitness regime, blah blah blah, but sometimes not really necessary. So I don't miss that gym part of it. What else again? Restaurant. I'm looking forward to go to a restaurant. Like seriously, I'm so used to buying takeaway all the time. Takeaway. I'm sometimes like this takeaway. I'm tired of it because like you come, you get your food. It's so soggy with the sauce underneath the rice, or the food is too cold, or the food is too hot, or they bring you different order. All of those stuff is just ridiculous. Gone on the day like when you go in this restaurant, you sit and you order your food is fresh coming out from the kitchen, and if there's any error they can take it back and bring it to you. The experience is so different than when you buy something and take home, because by the time you get home or by the time you get delivered, the food is all so it feels like trash, but you got no choice to eat because you pay for it. I want that experience again, so I'm looking forward to restaurants. Pub, I'm not really a pub person because sometimes just go to like meet friends out there, like just buy drinks and stuff. So I don't know what you guys are looking forward to. I know this might not be the same to my American viewers. This is just a UK viewers, and funny enough is that I have a lot of American viewers, the UK viewers, and I don't know why I'm talking about this, but I'm just trying to talk about my experience in terms of like being in lockdown for the last 1 year, and now we are easing up lockdown in April now. So what am I looking forward to? What are you looking forward to in your own country if you guys are already out? Shop wise, retail shops has been open since day one, so because it's really essential for people to buy food to feed and stuff, so that is normal. The only difference is that we gotta wear mask to go in there, do your shopping and stuff. Like the way our brain thinks now is like before you can just get your trolley, your basket, touch anything, go home. Yes, we still wash our hands when we get home, but there's no like your brain is not telling you that who are you touching virus, you need to wash it off. You get what I'm trying to say? So now that when you go in shop, you're thinking like you don't know who touched that basket before you don't know who picked that trolley, so you gotta sanitize that thing. If you don't come with your gloves, you gotta like, whoa, and I need to do a lot of shopping, what am I gonna do? Even if you're gonna get home and wash your hands, but the fact that is by you touching the stuff, your brain thinks that you've taking the virus, touch all your stuff, touch your mobile phone, and you've transferred it. So it's like things is different, like sitting close to someone on the train, on the bus, if it's not your car, like if they're not like one chair apart from you, you feel like maybe this person got the virus, maybe this, maybe that. Like a lot of things have changed, but we just have to adapt with it and go with it. Like it's a new norm, it's a new normal, you get what I mean? Oh god, I'm liking my glow. What is going on with my glow? Ooh. Anyway, I miss you guys so much. I don't know what I have in store for you, but I am just gonna do my best. upload content upon content, you know, for you guys, because you know I know I took a 1 month break and this is me trying to get my audience back. Now I'm being talkative for no reason. Yeah, I just feel like that's me, be talkative. Like, I feel like if you just give me a chance, I'll just talk, because that is me, talk. But I just talk about normal stuff, general stuff. I don't talk because I want to talk. I talk because I'm comfortable talking to you. Okay, it's just because I'm trying to waste time and I don't know what I am doing. I'm looking forward to things being opening up again. It will be very, very good and exciting. And yeah, I'm just gonna call the end of this video right now. So thank you guys very much for watching, and I will see you on Sunday. Yes, okay, that's my 10 minutes timer. So guys, this is the end of this video. I am gonna see you in my next video, which is gonna be on Sunday. Please watch out for that video. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but definitely gonna see you on Sunday. Okay, so I want you to take care of yourself, be nice to others, love yourself, do you, be you, good, and peace.